What's going on, guys? J.A. welcome back. As you guys saw from the opening credits, we're going to be doing an unboxing. We got the new YEEZY 500 colorway. Joints are called Clay Brown. This year for the 500 low, we've had a couple noteworthy releases, including the Inflame 500, as well as the Taupe Light. The Inflame was that multicolored joint, very vibrant, refreshing, something different, while the Taupe Light was more close to the original release as a more tonal earth tone colorway. So back to the earth tone vibes we go. This release right here is a primarily all brown colorway, so we're gonna be checking them out. Two releases come in mind that are very similar to this, one being the 500 Utility Black, which we've all seen, one of the OG 500 releases. That joint is very similar, but a black color versus brown. And then you have the recently restocked YEEZY Desert Boot in the oil colorway. Now back in 2017, 2018, the YEEZY 500 had a lot of comparisons to the YEEZY Desert Boot. Some would call it a low top version, while others would say that being a low top sneaker is just too different. So both were kind of separate releases that you needed to cop. So let's go ahead and check these joints out. I'm excited to do so, but before we do it, just want to thank everybody that be tuning in to all the videos, hitting the like button and leaving comments. Thank you guys. I just want to let you guys know I got two YEEZY releases coming very soon, so we got more early looks to look into. One is going to be something that everyone's going to be really excited to see, while the other I actually got in my personal size, so a personal pickup that I'm really excited for you guys to check out. So YEEZY is killing the game. YEEZY is stacked with releases. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all of the early YEEZY looks that we got coming here. So let's go ahead and check these out. Shout out to our guy Jay Joseph down at Soul Lounge, Houston. Let's see what these joints are hitting for, man. So pick these up in a size 11. Now for the 500 low, you could technically get away with your true to size, but just to be safe, you might as well go with your YEEZY size. You guys know how it goes. Half size up. So size 11, got your 500 standard box. Clay Brown. So let's go ahead and unbox these together. If you haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash the like. And you know how we do it over here. I need everybody to drop their first impressions in the comments. We're gonna pay some bills. We'll be right back with the full detailed look at the 500 Clay Brown. Are you looking to cop the most hyped sneaker releases for retail from your phone? Well, Addict, they've just announced 3.0, which is their brand new update that's gonna revolutionize the game. They're improving all Shopify, YEEZY, and Supreme mode to guarantee users more success. Addict is super easy to set up. Creating tasks takes less than 30 seconds, and their user face is super user-friendly. It's a great opportunity if you're trying to hustle and make money on the side, or just cop sneakers for your personal use. So be sure to click the link in the description and sign up at addict.io to be notified when copies are available. So salute to Ye, salute to YEEZY. Shout out to Adidas for making the vision and making the dream happen, yo. The 500 Clay Brown, I'm gonna say this right now. Bro, the quality of these is top tier. As you guys have seen from previous videos, I've been kind of mentioning that some of the more recent Adidas YEEZY releases have somewhat suffered from QC issues, which generally happens when a shoe is mass produced. But by looking at this pair right here, I don't know if it's just this pair specifically, but it's absolutely flawless in terms of no imperfections, no glue stains. And that fresh shoe smell is just so prominent. It just takes me back to being a kid, getting a fresh pair of new sneakers, man. These joints are absolutely crazy. Now, guys, these are not just a plain brown sneaker. There are different tones, there are different vibes going through this to make this sneaker unique and stand out. So first of all, the sole is somewhat of a charcoal gray sole. Of course, this features the Adiprene technology, and we already know the sole from the YEEZY 500 is inspired by retro Kobe Adidas silhouettes. So fire shoe. As you can transition up into the upper, guys, You have what appears to be brown on the suede area, and then the net that you guys see on the side where the pods are. Bro, from this lighting right now, it almost appears to be olive green, but this is one of those Yeezys that's just gonna play tricks on your head. Like when you go into different settings, different lighting, it's just gonna change colors overall. So when you're in the sunlight, these joints have a whole different vibe and are a more lighter tone sneaker than what you would expect. So I suggest if you guys are on the fence about getting this shoe, you gotta check it out in person, because the images from this video may not do it justice. So these joints are fire, these joints are amazing. Bro, shout out to my guy, Prince Mark, the 500 King. I cannot wait for him to see these in hand, because I know he's gonna love them. I know they're a must cop for him. Now, for me personally, I really feel like I'm gonna regret this decision, but I think I'm gonna have to pass on these joints just because I already have the utility black. It's not enough to make me go ahead and spend my money on these joints once again. So I don't know, it's tough because they look so great in hand and the vibes are just fire. But I ain't even gonna lie to you guys, I feel like over time I've come to like the Yeezy 500 a little bit more than the low for some crazy reason. I don't know, let me know what you guys think down below, but the 500 high has somewhat surpassed the low for me. I don't know if it's just the low top sneaker or what, but the high just kind of does it for me. Looking at this shoe, it has me thinking, you know, like this colorway, like the clay brown, imagine it on the 450. So like, for example, imagine a clay brown version of this 450. I feel like that would be amazing. That would be a must cop, but I'm checking for the resin pair anyway, so man, these joints are superior. Like I said, the quality seems to be top notch, a little more superior than recent releases. So if you guys are in the market for a new pair of 500s, the low version to be specific, these joints are definitely a must have. They will be dropping this Saturday, October the 30th. Adult size is only, the 500 retails at $200. In terms of copping these guys, it's usually a never easy task to cop Yeezys. Some are a little more easier than others. This one I would say is kind of right in the middle tier. Not super difficult to cop. They will be dropping on a whole bunch of sites, consignment shops, zero tier retailers. So yeah, do your research. Follow Yeezy Influence on Instagram. He usually posts all the raffles and everything. Of course, they just launched on Confirm, so make sure you guys sign up for the raffle on Confirm. And good luck, man, on your chances on Yeezy Supply on Saturday, because that's usually tough. Now, if you guys happen to strike out on copping for retail, when it comes to this release in particular, right off the bat, I don't expect them to be too expensive on the secondary or resale market. Possibly below the $300 range after the release, but because it's a good earth tone pair of Yeezys, you guys already know, expect these to just continue to rise up. So if you miss out on them, don't sleep, because this looks like it's gonna be another classic 500, man. So let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy 500 Clay Brown. I'm really digging these joints, so kind of makes me sad I gotta pass. So drop your feedback down below, leave a like. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I'm J.A. Thank you to everybody for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.